Hey guys, it's another your credit coach with another weekly tip, and this week I'm talking about, can you repair your own credit or should you hire a credit repair company? You can repair your own credit. Yes, as a credit expert who owns a credit repair company, I'm letting you know that you can repair your own credit. You don't need to hire us or any other company. But if you take on this adventure of repairing your own credit, there are two main ingredients. The first one is you need time. Yes, time is very important because it takes time to repair your credit. It's a lot of effort, it's a lot of hard work for you to know and understand what needs to be done in order to repair your credit. The second one is effort. It requires a lot of effort in your part. Doing research on how to even write a dispute letter. What do I dispute? Believe me, there are thousands, if not millions, of articles, videos, stuff you can find online that would educate you on how you can repair your own credit. But to even research those articles and read through the best ones requires time and requires effort. So yes, you can repair your own credit, but if you find it to be a laborious process and you would much rather leave it to the professionals, because we've been in business for 10 years. We know what we're doing. If you embark on this journey, good for you. I applaud you, and I'm here to tell you it can be done. But you are going to require a lot of time, a lot of effort, and hopefully experience, which you don't have. But the effort comes in because you're able to research how you can repair your own credit. If you feel you don't want to do that, you rather invest your time in other fun activities, then you can hire a credit repair company that can help you because they have time, they have effort, and number three, they have experience, guys. So as your credit coach, yes, you can repair your own credit. Hopefully that motivates you to doing something about your bad credit and puts you on that journey to a healthy FICO score. Guys, I hope this week's tip was helpful. If you have any questions, please drop them down below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that share button, hit that like button, because you motivate me to do more videos. Talk to you guys soon.